Brats, our friends at ODK saw our unboxing videos and they saw that table, desk, whatever you want to call it, what it was, and they said, we got to do something about it. So they sent us one of their premium desks. It's actually only $60 on Amazon, it's not even that much, to possibly replace our unboxing table. So let's find out if this thing is gonna look good in the shots. Readjust. So this is from ODK Furniture. Desk is on Amazon, $60 right now. It's a 55-inch computer desk. It's got that same great wood grain pattern if you saw on the electric standing desk video that we did. So let's open this thing up and get it put together. Took a little bit of a beating in shipping. I'm hoping none of that translated through to the desk. We'll find out. Let's make sure and we use something small and sharp to unbox this so that we don't hurt anybody. One of these days, I'm actually gonna scratch something with this. Yeah. I used a lot of tape to keep this thing together, which I appreciate, but it makes it a little hard when you're trying to open it with the sword. Oh my God, this box is huge. That works. Boom. Always put your knife away. Books and crap. Hoping this is gonna be as easy to assemble as the electric desk was. Looks like it's just some little parts. Stay. And then it's one solid piece, unlike the electric desk, as the desktop, which should make for really nice unboxing. Unfortunately, with the way this box is built, we will not be doing the stair test on this box because there's no way. Desk looks pretty good. It does look like in shipping, it took one little bit of damage here in the corner. Probably not gonna be noticeable in the final product, but something to maybe think about as far as shipping it, maybe pad the corners a little better. Not bad, but if I had bought this myself, I'd probably feel a little sad about that damage, honestly. Basically, we build the frame and throw the desk on top of it. And boom, $60. This is 55 inches. It's definitely, we were rocking like a 70-inch table in here, which this will be nice because this actually gives us some movable space. It's got just enough thickness that if you're putting a mic on this desk, you're gonna be able to easily get any stand on the edge and not have to worry about that. It's pretty sturdy once it's all built together, but I mean, it's not like a super heavy desk. You're definitely gonna notice if you're on carpet like I am, you can wobble it around if you try. For 60 bucks, it's a good deal. I can't believe how cheap some furniture is on Amazon, especially something like this. This doesn't use any pegs to put this together. This is all screws and bolts. It's a very real desk, I guess I would say, unlike when you get IKEA and it's like all put together with pegs. I'm impressed with the quality. It does have a headphone hook on the side that you can put on either side depending on where you want that. So if you're using this for your actual gaming desk, you have somewhere to put those. My only real qualm is it got hurt in shipping, which I mean, isn't really their fault, but the box is not a lot bigger than the desk. So I would definitely say that's something they should probably look into a little bit more padding on the box, because if I had bought this and was excited to have this as my gaming desk, I'd be a little disappointed about that. But rolling forward, this will be our unboxing table. There's a link in the description if you're interested in one like this. They do come in other finishes. You can get a black or a more traditional wood rather than this dark wood. I'm really happy with this. So I want to say once again, thank you to ODK for sending this to us. Thank you for hanging out and spending some of your time here today with me. And I will see you in another reality.
I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours.
Get your B-roll with that nice big old crack in it.